The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is already building serious anticipation, especially among creators who want professional aerial results without carrying a heavy drone. DJI's Mini series has consistently targeted that sweet spot under 250 grams, which in the United States and many premium markets means fewer regulatory barriers for recreational pilots. That weight class has made the Mini lineup incredibly popular with travelers, real estate creators, YouTubers, and outdoor filmmakers who want freedom without complicated licensing requirements. At the time of writing, DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro or confirmed final specifications. That's important to clarify. But looking at DJI's release pattern and the evolution from Mini 3 Pro to Mini 4 Pro, we can realistically outline what improvements are likely and what creators should expect if this model launches. The Mini 3 Pro introduced a 1/1.3-inch sensor, which was a major upgrade for a sub-250G drone. The Mini 4 Pro refined processing power, improved obstacle sensing, and brought more advanced tracking features. If the Mini 6 Pro becomes reality, it is unlikely DJI will dramatically increase sensor size, because keeping the drone under 250 grams is central to the Mini identity. Instead, the smarter move would be enhancing image processing, dynamic range, and low-light performance through improved computational photography and upgraded internal processors. For creators in the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, and across Europe, dynamic range matters more than megapixels. Clean highlight retention in bright skies and recoverable shadow detail in forests or urban streets are what separate casual footage from professional-looking content. DJI has been steadily improving color science and HDR performance, so a more refined HDR video pipeline would be a logical next step. Video performance will remain a primary focus. The Mini 4 Pro already supports 4K at high frame rates and advanced color profiles such as DCI-like. If the Mini 6 Pro arrives, we could see higher bit rates for cleaner compression, improved HDR implementation, and possibly expanded support for professional grading workflows. That would make it even more attractive for commercial creators producing branded content, real estate tours, and travel films that need consistent color grading across multiple cameras. Obstacle sensing is another area where DJI has pushed innovation. The Mini 4 Pro introduced omnidirectional obstacle sensing in an ultralight body, which was a significant engineering achievement. It would be reasonable to expect the Mini 6 Pro to maintain or refine this system. Improvements could include better subject detection, more reliable low-light obstacle awareness, and smoother APS path planning when navigating around trees, buildings, or tight environments. For solo creators, reliable tracking is essential. DJI's Focus Track suite, including Active Track and Spotlight modes, has improved significantly over recent generations. If tracking algorithms become more precise and stable, especially when following fast-moving subjects like cyclists, vehicles, or runners, the Mini 6 Pro could become even more valuable for independent filmmakers who don't have a camera crew. Battery life will remain a balancing act. The Mini series traditionally offers standard batteries that keep the drone under 250 grams and optional extended batteries that may exceed that threshold in some regions. DJI typically advertises flight times in the mid-30-minute range under ideal conditions. Rather than dramatically increasing battery size, efficiency gains through motor optimization and power management software are more likely. Transmission technology is one of DJI's strongest advantages. The company's OcuSync and O4 transmission systems have provided stable, long-range connections with clear live video feeds. A Mini 6 Pro would almost certainly use DJI's latest transmission standard, offering reliable performance in suburban neighborhoods, coastal environments, and open countryside. For creators, stable signal strength means fewer interruptions, safer flights, and more confidence during complex shots. Controller options will also play a role. DJI's integrated screen controllers, such as the DJI RC, have simplified setup and reduced dependency on smartphones. It is likely that any future Mini 6 Pro would be compatible with updated versions of these controllers, potentially offering brighter displays for shooting in direct sunlight and improved antenna systems for stronger connectivity. Wind resistance is especially important for lightweight drones. Despite their small size, recent Mini models have achieved impressive stability in moderate wind conditions. DJI classifies wind resistance levels clearly, and maintaining strong stabilization algorithms is crucial for creators filming in coastal areas, elevated landscapes, or open plains. the Mini 6 Pro would be expected to maintain competitive wind resistance within its weight class. Low-light performance remains a challenge for compact drones due to sensor size limitations. However, DJI has increasingly relied on intelligent noise reduction and computational image stacking. If enhanced processing is introduced, nighttime cityscapes and sunset shots could benefit from cleaner shadows and reduced grain without sacrificing detail. Portability is still the defining advantage of the Mini series. Foldable arms, compact storage size, and lightweight construction make these drones ideal for travel. For digital nomads, hiking enthusiasts, and content creators who move frequently, being able to carry a capable drone in a small backpack is a major benefit. Any Mini 6 Pro would almost certainly retain this compact, foldable design philosophy. Automation features are another area where DJI continues to innovate. Tools like QuickShots, MasterShots, and automated cinematic flight paths have become more refined with each generation. These features are not just conveniences, they help creators produce dynamic shots quickly. If the Mini 6 Pro expands AI-based scene recognition and flight automation, users could achieve more complex movements with minimal manual input. Pricing will depend on global market conditions, but DJI's Pro versions traditionally sit at a premium within the Mini lineup. In the United States and other developed markets, buyers often evaluate drones based on value rather than price alone. If the Mini 6 Pro delivers meaningful improvements in image processing, tracking, and transmission stability, it would likely justify a similar premium positioning. The target audience for a Mini 6 Pro would include beginners seeking high-quality footage without stepping into heavier drone categories, intermediate creators upgrading from older Mini models, and professionals wanting a lightweight secondary drone for travel or quick deployments. Within DJI's broader lineup, larger drones such as the Air and Mavic series offer bigger sensors and stronger wind resistance but come with added weight and higher cost. The Mini series is designed to balance portability with performance. Continued refinement rather than radical redesign is the most realistic expectation. Firmware support will also be critical. DJI has historically improved drone capabilities through updates, adding features, and refining performance months after launch. A Mini 6 Pro would likely benefit from ongoing software optimization, expanding its capabilities over time. Ultimately, the success of the DJI Mini 6 Pro will depend not just on specifications but on real-world performance. Fast startup time, stable GPS connection, responsive controls, and smooth gimbal stabilization are the elements that shape user experience. If DJI manages to improve image processing, refine tracking, and maintain strong flight performance while keeping the drone under 250 grams, the Mini 6 Pro could once again lead the ultralight drone category. Until DJI makes an official announcement, all expectations should be viewed as informed projections based on the company's previous development path. However, if the pattern continues, the Mini 6 Pro has the potential to push compact drone technology even closer to professional standards while preserving the freedom and portability that made the Mini series so successful.